Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on About Phone section at the bottom. Then click on device name located under basic info. And finally type in wherever you want to. In my case, snow. Now to save your changes, click on OK in device name pop-up. And then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!